What's up guys, Hitting Up with the Fourth here, back with another video, and I'm here to officially announce my RTX 3000 series sell away. I'm going to be selling away one of each of the NVIDIA Founders Edition RTX cards, so that's one 3060 Ti, one 3070, one 3080, and one 3090. All at MSRP pricing with taxes, PayPal fees, and shipping included. Now let me break down the pricing for each of the cards to minimize confusion. So the 3060 Ti will cost $475 US, which is the price I paid, plus 3% PayPal fees and $30 of expedited shipping. The 3070 will cost $590, the 3080 will cost $810, and the 3090 will cost $1,700. Once again, all of these costs have the taxes I paid at the retailer, the PayPal fees for the transaction, and shipping costs factored in. Now, the sell away is going to be primarily for people in the United States, but if you are in the UK or Canada, you may enter as well, but keep in mind the shipping costs will be higher. Now, let's talk about how long the sell away will last and how you can enter. So I've just opened up my Instagram account. It is public now, and there will be a post up on that account giving all the information about the sell away. To enter, all you need to do is follow me over on my Instagram, which is at HenryGobble4, which will be the first link in the description below. Like my most recent post and comment which card you want to win. The sell away will last until Saturday, January 16th at 12 noon Eastern to give enough time to gather entries. Now I tried to be as fair as I could with the pricing of these cards, and with this pricing I break even on costs, so I make no profit whatsoever, and I made it as close to MSRP as possible for you guys. With that being said, I wish you guys the best of luck in this sell away, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.